Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to schedule an Instagram reel. So let's suppose that you have created so many different reels and you actually don't want to post them right away, and if you want to schedule them you can actually do this now in the Instagram app. Okay, and you don't need to actually connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account. So first of all we will make a reel here. I will make a reel here. And let's make a reel and then tap on next and then again next here. And if you scroll down I will click on the advanced settings here, and at the top you can see this option where it says schedule this reel. So I will tap on this and you can actually select the date from here. Let's suppose if I want to post in it on Feb 5, and you can actually set the time here. Okay, and am or pm, and then you are click on done. And now this reel has been scheduled, and this reel has will automatically gets public on this specific date and time. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.